Today in the livestock market, we've got cattle in a complete downslide right now. The higher open just brings in more selling. The market is just pressing a little bit lower. Futures have really fallen apart with really almost no bottom in sight. That is a concern. The CVOL today, though, was pretty steady at 16.6. Perhaps that's going to change when come next Tuesday. Right now, the futures have gone from 132.85 to 124.9. That is $10. There is some real worries that there is going to be some demand decline after the holiday, but a $10 drop over the last 2 weeks, I think, is pretty extreme. One of the support levels was 125.8. That was a low from August 6th. And of course, we just kind of like plowed right through that support number. That's why there's a little bit of concern on the downside. Feeders did fall as well. Maybe that's what was pressuring the livestock, the live cattle. Box beef prices, cash trade, they're all very weak. Futures prices are just unable to find any support at all. The high from last week in the feeders was 172.55. Today, the low is 162.9. I think that after the Labor Day worry that's pushing prices down, we're now in this oversold condition. So let's see what happens when we get some numbers come Tuesday. We get a little bit more support. That's what we're going to be looking for. Some support from the market. We know that the demand would drop off, but as the market moves so hard, so fast, perhaps now it's already in the market. So if we see a little slowdown in demand, well, we're kind of back in here right now. So this is just like what we're looking at today, just a big decline on the beef side altogether. Hogs a little bit different today. They were steady. The trend is pretty much sideways. I think that there are a couple of positive things fundamentally for the lean hogs, but I think that there's been some overflow selling from the beef side that's kind of keeping that market in check. There's a large discount of futures to cash on the hog side, and that's really what was giving it a little bit of strength, but it was unable to really rally today. There really isn't much more news right now. The beef collapse really did cap it, but the expectation for the lean hog side is that there's going to be buying after the holiday. So there's something positive coming on that side. Perhaps they can help the rest of the livestock complex to give the market a little bit of support. The CVOL for the lean hogs right now is 28.5%. So after the holiday, perhaps we're going to see a little bit different view as the market, as now next week we're going to start. It's just going to be a short week.